Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling essential inputs, entity names, primary keys, and relationship rules. Once you have a list of entities, sketch each as a box and jot down attributes. Make sure to decide on notation up front because consistency matters. Pick crow's foot for databases or UML for design discussions. Then draw the first relationships between two high-priority entities, so you immediately expose cardinality questions and missing attributes that will shape the rest of the diagram. Once done with the initial boxes, focus on relationships and normalization to prevent data anomalies. You should convert many-to-many cases into join tables and explicitly label foreign keys so implementation is clear. Make sure to balance the diagram visually, group domain-related entities, and align flows for readability. As you refine, iterate with stakeholders to resolve ambiguities. Their questions often reveal missing constraints or derived attributes you need to add before finalizing. You finish by applying constraints and indexing decisions so the schema is actionable. Translate the diagram into SQL DDL or the target tool format. Then run sample queries to validate joins and expected results, because execution reveals design flaws faster than visual checks. If something breaks, verify cardinality and foreign key mappings first. That single mismatch is the most common issue. Finally, annotate assumptions and save a version copy so future edits remain traceable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.